Use of the past simple. We use the past simple for finished actions in the past. Example: I watched a movie last night. Example: she cleaned her room yesterday. The past simple often goes with clear past time words. Example: we played tennis 2 days ago. Example: he cooked dinner last Sunday. Regular verbs. For many regular verbs, add ed to make the past simple. Example: they opened the window. Example: I helped my father in the garden. If a verb ends in e, add only d. Example: she danced at the party. Example: we lived in a small flat. Irregular verbs. Some verbs are irregular and have a special past form. Example: I went to the park. Example: he bought a blue bike. Example: they saw a big dog. The past form is the same for all subjects. Example: I ate pizza. Example: she ate pizza. Negative sentences. For negatives, use did not or didn't plus the base verb. Example: I did not watch TV. Example: she didn't go to school. After didn't, do not use the past form of the main verb. Example: he didn't buy the red car. Example: we didn't eat breakfast. Questions and short answers. For yes or no questions, use did plus subject plus base verb. Example: did you visit the museum? Example: did she call her mother? Use yes I did or no I didn't for short answers. Example: did you finish your homework? Yes, I did. Example: did they play football? No, they didn't. Examples: I walked to the shop yesterday. She painted a yellow door. They visited a castle last summer. We found a small cat under the car. He drank water after the race. My sister made a cake. The baby cried in the kitchen. I didn't open the box. She didn't take the bus. Did you see the moon? Did Tom wash the car? We stopped at a red light. He wrote a letter to his friend. They didn't swim in the lake. Did Anna close the window? Quiz. Choose an option. Played. I played basketball yesterday. Choose an option. Went. She went to the market. Choose an option. Didn't watch. They didn't watch the film. Choose an option. Did you eat? Did you eat breakfast? Choose an option. Bought. He bought a new phone. Choose an option. Didn't go. We didn't go to the beach. Choose an option. Cooked. My mother cooked soup last night. Choose an option. Did they find? Did they find the keys? Choose an option. The children saw a horse. Choose an option. Didn't drink. I didn't drink coffee this morning. Choose an option. Did she clean? Did she clean the table? Choose an option. Took. We took photos in the park.